Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this is going to be part two of how you can promote the 10x income system with Facebook, guys. And here's another method that I'm going to be showing you today. I did a previous video about this, guys, but here's something that I did not talk about before. Okay, so if you are in the affiliate marketing niche, guys, and you're trying to reach out to people who might be interested, here's a good way to do this, guys. So what you can do is go on Facebook, obviously. This is my profile. First of all, post every day, guys, so you can have people engage with your post. And go into groups, guys. Engage with that group, guys. Like posts, comments, should be valuable to whichever group you're being a part of, guys. But if you're an affiliate, guys, you need to be part of some affiliate marketing groups. I'm going to show you how you can do that today. Okay. So if we go to groups right here, guys. Okay, we'll have that load. 1 second. Sorry for the inconvenience there. Okay. So right now, this is like the legendary marketer group, guys. There's a lot of people in here and people who are new as well. But you want to look for experienced people, guys, who may not be getting the results that they want, guys. And this is just a quick example. You don't have to do legendary marketer, but there are a ton of affiliate groups, guys. You look on Facebook, guys, just type in affiliate groups. You can do this with pretty much anyone. Okay. You want to find a problem and you want to solve it. But how do you do that, guys? I'm not going to click on his profile. But let's take a look at this guy. Let's say if you were talking to someone like this guy, guys, and you want to find out a problem and how you do that. You talk to him, okay? You talk to him not as a salesperson, but as just a regular person, guys. So you click on his profile, find something that interests you, and maybe try to relate to that, guys, without being salesy, guys, because you'd be surprised at how many people get turned off if you mentioned, I'm an affiliate and I do this, and you just sort of just vomit on them about everything that you do, guys. It's a real turn off, okay? So if you're going to reach out to someone organically like this, whether they're in this group or a different group, guys, you would just come to them as a real person, guys. Um, you know, and just find something that you both have in common, guys, and then from there you can start a real conversation. And then, they'll eventually click on your Facebook profile, because they'll be interested in seeing what you do. And then from there, they'll be a lot more open-minded to checking out what you do, guys, which is probably affiliate marketing or whatever the niche you are in, guys. So that's a good way to do it as well. Like I said, it doesn't really matter what affiliate group you're doing this in. It doesn't necessarily have to be affiliate groups either. It could be any group where people are actually interested in making money online, guys. So you can just find random people, guys, and find a subject that or a topic or whatever, something that interests you that you can relate to. That way, you can actually be real with the people you are talking to, guys. Because you don't want to be fake when you're doing this, guys. You want to be yourself and you want to be genuine with people, guys. Because that's the best way to do it, and it will last long term, guys. So let me know if this video was helpful to you or to anyone who was watching this video. Let me know if it was helpful to you in any way. As always, I have links down in the description, guys, so you can check out the 10x income system by Tabby D, guys. So you'll end up directly on this page by clicking the link below. And yeah, like and comment if this was actually helpful to you guys, and maybe if organic traffic has been something that you've been struggling with. I hope this was helpful to you. I'll be posting more videos about this in the future, but there's a particular topic that you want me to cover on a little more. Just let me know in the comments below, guys. As always, see you next time.